From the investments we've made over the past 5 years, we can supply 5-axis machine components, mill turn components, and anything else underneath. 18 months ago, we bought the robo drill because we were looking to shorten our cycle times. With a 24,000 RPM spindle, it's made a huge difference for our business.
So our system's designed to run 24/7 with minimal maintenance. That's what we're about. And on the back of that and our control systems and our energy efficient fans, you have less energy consumption, less downtime because how we've designed the filter systems as well. So you can run your machine as long as possible in conjunction with our mist extraction.
Having the Herco VMX30 combined with the Aroa 80, it allows us to service a small amount of customers that require a larger volume of components, and having it set up in a way where we can chop and change regardless of batch size. We could do a quick one-off for any customer or carry on with a few hundred off.
This is their flexible fixturing solution. So what we've got here is a gridded plate with M12, M16 holes and various bits and bobs, stops, serrated grippers for supporting the component, and then top clamps. But yeah, that's
that to turn diameters of that size can cause so many issues with things like deflection and vibration. So this machine overcomes that as a result of having two gang tools. So you've got one at the front and one at the back, which allows you to basically use them simultaneously to balance turn.
Now let's talk about that. This simultaneous or balanced turning, what are the benefits? Because it does reduce vibration, doesn't it?
Well, you imagine it, the best way to describe it is if you have a force from one tool going onto the bar, you can imagine that it's going to push it. Whereas if you have a force coming from the other side as well, it kind of counteracts that.
Yeah, he's just a one-man guy in his workshop, and he never thought he could own a grob. He bought one of our approved used machines, and yeah, he sings its praises now. He's got used to it.
Guess what? Star have an exciting competition where you can win one of these. All you have to do is guess the combined cycle time of all of the 16 components here in front of me that make up the Star Saber. In true MTD fashion, obviously we have to find out about the engineering that has gone into the Star Saber first.
I'm Alec Warner, I'm the operations manager here at Star GB. This is the Star Saber. This is Mark III Star Saber, so we've been doing these since 2016, and we've absolutely smashed it out of the park with this version. On this version, there's 16 really challenging parts, all done on Star machines, ranging from the ST38 down to our SB20RG. Like previous versions, this version also lights up with the electronics that we've built into it. Regarding the engineering, the most challenging parts are done on the SR38, these two. We've got the body, various machining operations, balance milling, balance turning, engraving included, and the hilt at the bottom of the Star Saber. Again, balance turning, balance milling, lots of milling on the back end. The next two parts are done on the ST38. Again, deep hole drilling, threading, milling. This is the coupling part. Again, a little bit simpler, but various operations in turning, grooving and threading. Then we go to the SR20J2. We've got a red acrylic plastic component, and again these side extensions in aluminium. These components here were done on the SR20R4, prismatic machining, engraving, and finally we've got the shaft component, which we actually did on an SB20RG, long parts mode, ideal for doing this type of component. We really love a challenge here at Star GB, and this version really pushed the capabilities of not only the engineering team, but our machines as well. So I'll be really interested to see what guesses come in.
It's simple. Click the link below with your cycle time guess and you'll be in with a chance to win one of these Star Sabers.